Hey everybody, Randall with the Mills team. Coming back to the second part of a little series, we have knowing your value and keep an eye on your time. That we talked about before, one thing you can't do no matter how much money you make is buy more time. So being very guarded on your time and very protective of it is super important. One of the biggest things that I learned through my coaching program is time blocking. Every day my schedule gets printed out, put on my desk for me by my assistant, and it's color coded so I know exactly red time doesn't make me money, or it's not non-money making activity. And this is really for any business, guys. When you're prospecting, time is in yellow, green for money making time. This means you're contacting clients, following up them. Super important to have your day. This starts everything, even at 7 a.m. with working out. We hit that most days, right? But working out all the way to when you should go home, even meetings maybe possibly after work for dinner. But it's super important to be guarded on your time, because we talked about in our last video, if you assign a value to all your time of $15 an hour, $40 an hour, or $100 plus an hour, you never need to get stuck in $15 an hour jobs. If you are, you need to hire somebody to be able to help you out with that. Someone that's new and starting the business, someone that you can kind of mentor. Then they graduate to $40 an hour jobs. They can be your right hand when you're not there. That way it allows you to vacation and take time off. So these are all very important for you in any business of any kind, is value your time, time block, and stick to it. If you have any questions or ever need any help, give me a call. Thanks.